You spend 30 hours researching, writing, and editing a video. You hit publish, refresh the page, and wait. 12 hours later, the dashboard shows 3 views, and one is your mom. All that effort sinks straight to the bottom of the feed. The immediate instinct is to blame your gear. You buy a $4,000 cinema camera, upgrade to a professional lighting grid, and learn advanced color grading. You upload again, but the result is the same. High-end equipment doesn't magically attract an audience. The YouTube platform does not grade on a curve for creative effort. It functions as an emotionless matchmaking system, connecting viewer interests with specific video signals. Think of it like a waiter in a massive restaurant. The waiter's only objective is to serve patrons content they will actually consume. If a waiter brings a dish to a table and the customer immediately rejects it, the system pulls that dish from the menu. To overcome the zero-view plateau, you must abandon artistic guesswork. Growth occurs when you translate ideas into the specific behavioral data the algorithm recognizes and rewards. The funnel begins with a ruthlessly short window. When a user opens the app, you have exactly 3 seconds to convince them to stop scrolling and click. Look at this comparison. On the left, the design is packed with logos and 3 different subjects. This induces cognitive overload, causing users to scroll past. On the right, the image is stripped down to a single focal point with high contrast. A successful visual hook relies on 3 elements: harsh color contrast to stand out, a clear emotional focal point, and an unresolved visual question that the viewer feels compelled to answer. This determines your click-through rate. CTR acts as the filter for the entire system. If your thumbnail doesn't win the click, the algorithm stops testing your video with a wider audience. Advanced creators remove human intuition from this equation. They use AI-powered A/B testing tools to rotate variations and let live audience data dictate which thumbnail becomes the permanent winner. The title provides the final push. Changing a generic description to a specific time-bound promise creates the curiosity gap needed to drive that final click. Unless you pass this CTR filter, the actual quality of your video's content is irrelevant. If the click never happens, the work is never seen. The second the viewer clicks, the clock resets. You now have exactly 5 seconds to prevent them from abandoning the video. Traditional, slow-paced introductions or lengthy channel welcomes trigger a mass exodus. At the start of a video, viewers are looking for any reason to leave. To hold them, your hook must immediately validate the click. You do this by explicitly restating the value proposition and showing a glimpse of the final result. A retention graph with a steep cliff in the first 5 seconds signals the content failed, halting organic reach immediately. Professionals secure stable pacing using AI silence removers. These tools ruthlessly cut dead air, compressing the video to maintain momentum. YouTube prioritizes videos that hold attention. You secure that retention by eliminating every ounce of friction and delivering on your thumbnail's promise without delay. Converting that watch time into actual channel growth requires following the strict monetization rules of 2026. It is a fatal mistake to use low-effort, mass-produced AI content or deceptive clickbait to inflate your metrics. These shortcuts lead to immediate demonetization. The algorithm now identifies and penalizes inauthentic content. This system strips ad revenue from channels that lack a unique, original human perspective. Strategic creators use AI for pacing, data analysis, and A/B testing, not for wholesale creation. The boundary is clear. AI should augment your process, not replace your storytelling. An optimized channel focuses on 3 goals: securing the impression through CTR, holding the viewer through tight retention editing, and passing monetization audits with authentic storytelling. Success on YouTube comes from aligning your creative process with the platform's core directive, delivering highly satisfying, human-centric experiences at scale.